How to make everyone you meet love you. Unlocking charisma and connection. Have you ever met someone who instantly lights up a room? Their presence feels magnetic, their smile impossibly warm. But here's the secret. Charisma isn't something you're born with, it's something you can develop. Charisma isn't about being perfect or flashy, it's about making others feel valued. In this video, we'll explore simple, actionable ways to boost your likability, create deep connections, and leave a memorable impression wherever you go. Ready to unlock the power of true charisma? Let's dive in. Kindness is incredibly powerful. It's not just what you say, but the spirit with which you say it. A simple smile, a kind word, or showing interest in someone's story can instantly make you more approachable and likable. Start every interaction with sincere positivity. People love to feel seen and appreciated, so practice empathy. Ask yourself, how can I make this person's day better? When others sense you care more about them than yourself, they naturally feel connected to you, and that builds trust and admiration. In today's world of endless distractions, being fully present is a rare and precious skill. When you're talking to someone, put away the phone, maintain eye contact, and truly listen. Give them the gift of your undivided attention and watch how their guard comes down. Active listening is key here. Instead of waiting for your turn to speak, focus entirely on their words. Nod, react naturally, and echo what they're saying. People don't just want to be heard, they want to feel understood. That's how true connections are forged. Confidence is contagious. When you exude self-assurance, without arrogance, it puts others at ease. But here's the good news. Confidence doesn't mean you have to be the loudest or most outgoing person in the room. It's about being comfortable in your own skin. The easiest way to build confidence is to focus on your strengths. What makes you unique? Whether it's your sense of humor, your creativity, or your resilience, lean into it. People are drawn to authenticity, not perfection, so embrace the beautiful, one-of-a-kind person you are. Genuine compliments are like verbal sunshine. When given sincerely, they uplift both the giver and the receiver. A well-timed, heartfelt compliment on someone's ideas, achievements, or even their style can instantly make them feel good about themselves and associate those positive emotions with you. But here's the key. Keep it authentic. Don't force fake compliments just to gain favor. Instead, look for qualities in others that you truly admire. Compliments rooted in truth carry an unbeatable charm, and they highlight your ability to appreciate the goodness in others. Charisma isn't about stealing the spotlight, it's about sharing it. People are drawn to those who are humble, approachable, and unpretentious. Share your own challenges or imperfections in a lighthearted way. Being relatable allows others to feel more comfortable around you. Humility fosters connection because it shows you don't take yourself too seriously. Remember, people won't remember how perfect you seemed. They'll remember how you made them feel. Be the kind of person who inspires and uplifts others just by being real. First impressions matter, but so do last impressions. After meaningful conversations, leave people with a lasting positive note. Express gratitude for talking with them or tell them you enjoyed your interaction. Don't underestimate the power of small gestures. Whether it's a warm goodbye, a follow-up message, or offering help when someone needs it, these thoughtful acts show genuine care. When you leave others with a positive impression, your relationships will naturally flourish. Charisma isn't some distant dream, it's a skill you can practice daily. Lead with kindness, stay present, embrace confidence, give authentic compliments, and remain humble. These steps will unlock your ability to connect powerfully and meaningfully with everyone you meet. You already have everything you need to start becoming the magnetic, inspiring person you aspire to be. Watch as your conversations grow deeper, your social circles expand, and your impact multiplies. Just remember, it's not about being loved by everyone. It's about making people feel loved and valued. If you've enjoyed this video and found it helpful, subscribe to our channel for more life-changing content. Give this video a thumbs up and share it with someone who could use a boost of positivity and connection. Together, we'll inspire growth, one step at a time. Your support helps us continue creating meaningful videos that empower personal growth. Thank you for being part of this incredible journey. Until next time, remember, you have the power to transform lives, starting with how you show up every day. Keep shining